Hello YouTube, welcome to Condenser. Today I will give you a huge channel update. I have upgraded my machine to Ryzen 5, memory of 16 GB and graphic card 1060 Ti 3 GB memory card, graphic card, Nvidia. It gives endless opportunities to run Unity, Blender, even Android Studio. So I'm pretty much excited about it. Let me show you my performance. You can see it. GPU, Nvidia the graphic card, GTX 1060i, two sets of SSDs, and old hard disk, memory size 16 GB, and CPU Ryzen 5 3500 6 cores processor. And now I can play with these toys. Let's see what we can develop. I'm too much excited about it. Just giving you a quick update, and comment me down what you want to learn and develop. Let's grow together. Remember, keep coding, keep learning, keep improving yourself day by day. Hopefully one day you will achieve what you want. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you. I will see you in the next video. Till then, subscribe with the bell icon. Do whatever you want to do. Love you guys. Bye bye.